In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give someone access to your Wix website. If you need another person to help manage your site, whether that's a designer, editor, marketer, or developer, Wix makes it easy to invite them as a collaborator. This allows them to access your website without you having to share your personal login details, which is the safest and most professional way to do it. To get started, go to your Wix page dashboard. This is the main area where you manage your website settings, content, and tools. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on the search bar. This search feature is a quick way to find the exact setting you need, especially if you don't want to scroll through menus. In the search bar, type in Collaborator. When the relevant option appears, click on it. This will take you to the section where you can manage who has access to your website and what they're allowed to do. From here, click Invite Collaborators. This opens the invitation setup where you can enter the email address of the person you want to give access to. Make sure you enter the correct email address so the invite goes to the right person. If needed, double-check it before moving on. Next, select the role for that person. This part is important because roles control what the collaborator can access and edit on your Wix site. For example, some roles may allow someone to work on content, while others may include more advanced permissions. Choose the role that best matches what that person needs to do, and try to avoid giving more access than necessary. Once the email address is entered and the role is selected, click Send Invite. Wix will send the invitation to that person, and they'll be able to accept it and access the site according to the permissions you assigned. And that's it. That's how you give someone access to your Wix website. It's a simple process, but it's an important one to do correctly so the right people have the right level of access. If you're working with others on your site, using collaborator access is the best way to keep everything organized and secure.